Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Can you have a pH of 0? Correct answer is no, you cannot have a pH of 0 as pH values range from 0 to 14 on the pH scale. A pH of 0 is not physically possible as it would imply a concentration of hydrogen ions that is identifiably high, which is not feasible in real world scenarios due to limitations in the concentration of hydrogen ions in solutions. The lowest attainable pH value is 0, representing a highly acidic solution with a high hydrogen ion concentration. The concept of pH serves as a logarithmic scale to measure the acidity or alkalinity of a solution based on its hydrogen ion concentration, with lower pH values indicating higher acidity and higher pH values indicative of alkalinity. Thus, while a pH of 0 is not achievable, a pH value close to 0 signifies extreme acidity in a solution.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.